camp and I never ski. It just fills me with fear. Yes, I'm a zombie, but that wasn't always the case. Dirk and Nancy destroyed my brain, along with my body and face. I saw Dirk and Nancy in my neighborhood. They were looking for me and I knew why. Yes, I understood. I tried to hide, but they saw me. I could not get away. They wouldn't leave till I signed up and paid to be in the zombie play. Now I'm a zombie. I eat people just like you. It's a slow and painful way for you to die. I take my time when I chew. Yes, I'm a zombie. I like to make people run. It's a sick, perverted zombie thing to do, but I think it's kind of fun. Yes, I'm a zombie with giant wounds on my face. I got gallons of pus that's oozing out all over the place. If you see Sue, Joe, and Sandy in your neighborhood, you just can't move 'cause you're frozen with fear. Well, that's understood. Remember, Nancy trained them to walk slow, like a good zombie should. So your chances of getting away is not great, but it's pretty good. Well, I'm a zombie with bullet holes in my head. I sing in a band with Shirley Thorne. We call our band the Living Dead. It's a very odd lifestyle, I know, but it got a couple of perks. We earn travel miles to England because that's where our dentist works. Yes, I'm a zombie. I still don't know why I'm here. I like to support the theatrical arts, but let me tell you, this ain't exactly Shakespeare.
The world premiere of I'm a Zombie by Bob Rowan. Let's give him, yeah, that's